tukú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo tọwọ́jà ìkànnì amóhùnmáwòrán DIGINAIJA TV ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó dé lórílẹ̀‐èdè wa Nàìjíríà káàkiri ilẹ̀ káàrọ̀ oòjíire gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé aláǹfààní àti mọ́ lọ káàkiri kalọ̀ mọ́ ọmọ afúnyín bó ṣe ń gbóná fẹ́lifẹ́li àwọn ìròyìn yálà labala òṣèlú ìròyìn amúlùdùn tàbí labala eré ìdárayá ṣàgbọ́lé fújì náà làwà báyìí olórí awuyewuye tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn gbajúgbajà olórin fújì méjì ní Tiri àti Taye Currency ṣàwuyewuye òun náà ló ṣokùnfà bí wọ́n ti ṣe pàdé níbi àyájọ́ ọdún àṣà ọdún 2025 ní ìlú Ìbàdàn tí oníkálukú sì ṣe bíi pé wọn dá ara wọn mọ̀ tí kálukú sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n lẹ́jọ́ ara wọn ṣe ìṣesí ọ̀nà ló ṣokùnfà bí ó ti ṣe fi hàn gbangba báyìí pé awuyewuye ń lọ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì ṣùgbọ́n ṣẹ́yìn wá lérò pé ó yẹ kí awuyewuye òun wà lè lò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ pé àwọn pàdé ara ẹni níta àwọn àmọ̀ ṣe kí ni àmọ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé a ò dá ara wa mọ̀ bákan náà olórin fújì jọ ni àwọn méjèèjì tó ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ òun ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ò lágbára ìbámi wá nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kẹfìdílé nǹkan kẹjẹkájọ fọ́nrán ọ̀hún.
Lanti bàbá wa alága iléeṣẹ́ Bovas akíkẹ́gbẹ́ mi nílé ìsáàsì.
His Excellency the Deputy Governor for your state, Barrister Abayo Lawal. Àwọn náà máa bá wa present award yẹn. Torí náà, we seek the permission of His Excellency. So we're just doing one presentation which will be made to the Speaker of your House of Assembly, Chairman Conference of Speakers from around Nigeria, from across Nigeria, Right Honorable Edward Adebo Ogudoyi, and it will be presented by the Deputy Governor of your State, His Excellency, Barrister Ibrahim Adebayo Lawal. Right after that, we'll receive our who will come forward, deliver his remarks, and invite the Governor of Bayelsa State to come forward to receive his own award. So it will be in that order. Right after the Right Honorable Speaker receives his award, we'll be hearing from our own governor. And so one more time to round of applause, make welcome Chairman Conference of Speakers and our own speaker, may know your state, Right Honorable Edward Adebo Ogudoyi. He's coming forward with the Deputy Speaker, Principal Officers in the Youth House of Assembly. Thanking Mr. Speaker, and of course, the Deputy Governor will be doing the honors of presenting that award. And
Ọ̀yọ́ State Mákindé. Ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé.
Before venturing into politics, Senator Tiri served as a teacher, shaping young minds in the rural areas of the old River State. His political career began with the Ijaw National Congress (INC), where he served as the pioneer National Organizing Secretary in 2023, after winning a landslide victory, affirming the people's confidence in his vision and performance. Dr. Tiri's administration is widely applauded for its developmental strides across infrastructure, education, economic empowerment, and governance reform. He has spearheaded the construction of strategic roads, including the Yenebo, Sakama, and Peruan roads, facilitated the operation of Bayelsa International Airport, and initiated the rehabilitation of over 50 roads within Yenebo metropolis. Dedication is government established to collect across all local government areas and secure accreditation to several tertiary institutions, significantly improving the state's education ranking through initiatives like Tiri Boost and targeted agricultural programs. He continues to empower thousands of youths and women economically. He is a champion of institutional reform, having streamlined government ministries, promoted transparency through key legislation such as the fiscal responsibility and procurement amendment bills. His efforts at environmentally sustainability and energy development are underscored by the ongoing development of an independent power plant to serve Bayelsa State. His Excellency is a recipient of numerous awards, including the 2024 African Leadership Magazine's Best Performing Governor, South Nigeria, and currently serves as the chairman of the South Governors Forum. Governor Tiri's leadership is rooted in a
tọ ẹ káàbọ̀ padà ọ̀nà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ti rí níbi tí àwọn méjì ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti ṣe àfojúdi ara wọn tí wọ́n ṣe bí ẹni pé wọ́n ti dára wọn mọ̀ rárá àti rárá òbí pé wọ́n ti ṣe kíni bí pé wọ́n ti ríra wọn rí kìkì tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó kéré jù gan wọn kíra wọn o tọ ìyàtọ̀ bá kò sẹ́yìn náà ẹ̀mọ́ gbàgbé láti bá a fi èrò tí náà sọwọ́ sábàlá rí sí ìyẹn comment section ṣùgbọ́n ká tó máa dágbére ẹ jẹ́ kàkà ọ̀kan ní sí méjì nínú nǹkan táwọn èèyàn fi sọ sábàlá àríwí sí fọ́nrán ọ̀hún káwọ ìyàtọ̀ kọ sí oníkálukú àríkọ̀mẹ́ntàsì kan tó ní Pasuma is alábòsí if not he suppose don settle Tiri and currency matter because it shows now that Pasuma is giving Tiri back hope not to respect currency, and anybody that can't control his empire is not supposed to call a leader. Ó náà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́gbọ́n tí arákùnrin ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ó fi léde ó ní ó ti yẹ kí Alhaji Pasuma ti bá wọn dá sí gbogbo awuyewuyewuye ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún nítorí ó ti fẹ́ mọ́ jọ bí ẹni wípé Alhaji Pasuma kí n Tiri lẹ́dà lẹ́yìn o láti mọ bẹnu àtẹ́lù Taye currency láti mọ̀ fún ní ọ̀wọ̀ kankan bó ti wù kó kéré mọ́. Bákan náà tẹ̀síwájú ó ní ẹni tí kò bá ti lè ṣe àkóso ìgbìmọ̀ rẹ̀ ó ní àlèmọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni olórí o ẹgbọ́n ìyàwó ló kọ sẹ́yìn náà ṣe ẹ̀yìn lérò pé Alhaji Pasuma ṣẹ́yìn lérò pé wọ́n ní ẹjọ́ láti jẹ nínú awuyewuye tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń lọ láàrin àwọn gbajúgbajà olórin méjì ọ̀hún ẹ ti jẹ́ ká ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wo òmíràn nínú gbọ̀tàn fi sọ sábàlá àríwí sí fọ́nrán ọ̀hún Olúwafẹ́mi Ọmọládé I be Bawasi fans to the core, but to be honest, Shehu Fuji, you have work to do. Currency is not Tiri mate in all aspects. You should accord him the respect he deserves. If truly that they are your product, you always live by example. Please, Tiri, always follow trend. I stand to be corrected. Gashi Fuji, Tiri Keresi. Taye ọ̀nà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti lẹ́gbọ́n tí wọ́n fi léde báyìí wọ́n ní Tiri lẹ́dà wọ́n ní ó kéré sí Taye currency gan-an ni ẹ̀gbọ́n báwo ló ṣe rí létí tẹ̀yìn náà báwo ló ṣe kọ sí yín ìyá tó bá kọ sí yín mọ́ gbàgbé láti bá fi èrò tí náà sọ̀rọ̀ sábàlá rí sí ìyẹn comment section ẹ ti jẹ́ kàkà ọ̀kan sí méjì ká tó máa lọ. All of the leaders are bad leaders such as Pasuma, Rashid and Taye and currency himself because Paso should have settled the matter but failed to do that, and Rashid Ayinde was there to correct everything in presence of Ibadan people failed again, and Taye Currency should have showed a bit maturity by pulling the guy and hug him. Even he's not happy with him, because I never remember where Paso and Oshupa met and showed the whole world that they are fighting during their fights. Wọ́n ní tí ọmọdé bá ṣe bí ọmọdé, ó yẹ kí àgbà náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ṣe bí àgbà. Wọ́n ló yẹ kí Alhaji Taye Currency, wọ́n ní ó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kí wọ́n fi ìwà àgbà hàn bí wọ́n bá ti ṣe fi kìkì pàdé Tiri lẹ́dà. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí báwo ló ṣe rí létí yín? Ìyàwó ló kọ sẹ́yìn náà. Àtúrí commenters kan tó ní like seriously forget hatred is not proper. I don't love Tiri leather action. Pasuma need to do the needful. Even tí bàbá bá ṣe ọmọ gan, ọmọ náà ni yóò bẹ bàbá. You can't expect Taye Currency to greet him first now. Àfojúdi burúkú ni. That's not how they teach us in Yoruba land. Ó náà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́tí bọ́ ti arákùnrin ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó fi léde. Ó ní tí bàbá bá ṣe ọmọ náà ni ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó padà fi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó padà bẹ bàbá. Wọ́n ní ó lẹ́tọ̀ fún Tiri leather láti kọ́kọ́ lọ bá Taye Currency o. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó ló kọ sẹ́yìn. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá fi ròtí náà sọ sábàlá àríwísí ìyẹn comment section. Kolawole Akorede, but this is Currency. This Currency na strong man. Oh, they just want to make him fall by all means. Normally in this life, no any top ones want upcoming to meet their level, but God dey make Almighty Allah no leave me too. Ẹgbọ́n ṣe lóòótọ́ ni pé ìgbìmọ̀ gbogbo àwọn olórin fújì náà ni wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n parapọ̀ láti fa Taye Currency wálẹ̀, àbí ẹni kan ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ látàrí bí wọ́n ti ṣe jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ Taye Currency. Tó ìyàtọ̀ bá kọ sẹ́yìn náà, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá a fi èrò tí náà sọwọ́ sábàlá àríwísí ìyẹn comment section, torí àwọn onímọ̀ rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ìkànnì wa àmúhùnmáwòrán DIGINAIJA TV. A ó tún máa bá yín pàdé nígbà mi lọ́jọ́ mi lórí ìkànnì kan náà. Ẹ ṣé fún ìwà àti gbígbọ́ tí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa, à ń dágbére báyìí fún yín pé ó dàbọ̀.